enti ade bo ba ko bekum no mam ye no ebusia demonstration bi akọ so e Tamale Technical Institute ama police for akọ bu student no police for no akọ clash in fact o akọ bri mu pay asesa wo mase be ma update on na face no okọ TikTok montene so a omuni Mahama enya e fa ne so be ka say an now no wadane IP mine obe track you with your IP address ni aba be chill so pass hate speech on the internet omo abere plan Mahama say sebe edi de ma ono onpa Ghana for chill so as we ko atima hwe nyame ene makana onpa Ghana for chill me ma chiru na chiru wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say edi de mo obe like if video no that mo subscribe button na be click the notification icon for latest updates na be chiru wadwen de ama me e wo comment section me so baso no wa chiru for so enya bi ahwe enti atwa ko Tamale Tamale Technical Institute oye chire bi akoso ene just enye ne ya na start here start about getting to a month 2 months ago ana ehunbopia ba say o ma to school fees mu the school fees o mutua no there's been a sharp increment ana o ma to mo no say o mu infrastructure o ma didie mu beyum bedam mu o ma di adi mu enye but ya to school fees ba no boy den mu di kan threat say school fees na akosto no ye ni mo ne problem but say mu ntimi ma infrastructure na ade ye living standard meeting with school fees net 200 and ye kire obune can send one way to education minister any the authorities of Tamale Technical Institute and say bosia empanifo yo maniti ene and a student no e gather o ti see mountain so demonstration started very peaceful because it started as indoor demonstration until say omutwa police for go and bosia boys don't go kwapai.
We started this demonstration on a peaceful note, and it's all about school fees, increment of school fees that generated this demonstration. Initially, we started it very peacefully. Then all of a sudden, they involved the police. This is a student's affair. They shouldn't have been police. They even drove their car in there, started spraying. I don't know what substances it is, but I'm sure it should be hot water. They started spraying it on us. That's where the students go angry and also started throwing back at the police. See, you can barely look around. We keep paying school fees, but there's no sign of anything. We keep paying money every year. But they are all interested in repaying school fees all the time. And we can't keep paying school fees. See, imagine you go to this school for 5 good years, 2 good years, 5 good years, 2 good years without completing without certificates. And when you go, they'll be like, the 40 is from CTVET, the 40 is from ICT. Students' own is to write exams, and you have to provide each student with their certificates. So imagine you going to school and completing without certificates. What's the essence of it?
What I say, it when I there, I see Tamale Technical Institute. I say, in fact, a more airship demonstration. I cost one student in demonstration. Say, wanted to school fees. No boy dinner. Ghana police, Edomako clash. In fact, Omakobu Omo Angasa. Omakobu Omo Angasa. Now, Bekai, about a week ago, and His Excellency the President, John Mahama, now the friend Mr. IP Man. What I say? IP Man. What I say? Now, I Ghana version of IP Man. Original media phone and I didn't send me to ya. As a question, me bra Penyah Sadek Adams, Elikobusa about hate speech. Any other day, as a media no where they are full of hate speeches. As president, then obey me. I hear for home. And also, I know my sister I can onya betra na okra no National Signal Bureau any cyber crime agency for no omo akonya technology bia na say device bia ebeboa so party or pass comment on social media betuma track comment no using your IP address let that track your full location near aba bia wo betuma track aba be chew but as Mahama e kan ye no and back here me prove actually on many occasions about His Excellency the President in opposition or passing out many hate speeches towards Akufo-Addo. And the point is,
this election is about the economy, stupid.
So put a paragraph on Airbus to equalize the discussion. I mean, what stupidity is this? You have all those people walking around writing stupid things on social media. It does not affect what happened in the past. And what he says is a bit silly.
he even labeled them as pigs.
So, when they were looking for your vote, President Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, said, we shall open the opportunities of this country to all Ghanaians, irrespective of your party or your ethnic affiliation. Do you remember he said that? So, we did the revolution, and he came to power. Now that the pigs are enjoying, they say some Ghanaians are more Ghanaian than others.
What I say? He even labeled them as pigs. The first answer and the media also took a front to Montiasi. And Mahama called owning Kame Pagana for say, you obi this year China, only also a chino. Only Kabe Pagana for you, no, you can cry.
Eh, President Mahama, it is almost as some yoya. It is said that a yoya. Eh, so we name say Triangle who a GM. It's not just a Nana Donna was so would dinner to so kai. It's about the economy stupid. And another no any pound. No near think. No any feelings. I feel the one who say that yeah. It is not about teach your mom social media aided the atom. Winning baby, then can't watch Kevin Taylor. Nature Captain Smart. Nature free man. Na akwana wawuno. I dream pahine. Kona watching if I samado. And Sunny Ben will say you are being fair and honest man. And you want our sponsor all these people. I know mugu social media. Diba miatem. Dinanado atem. Do 2 for atem. Why? And I came tell only in a time of Ghana. From O2 to Penyah to nurses, teachers who do a beer tenacity. You were sponsoring him. When I will be a TV channel, the man, ye ne Ghana. And I came tell her, it's me free America, and buy a man, more, ye can't say. Security personnel and almost guiding. I made no court almost questioning the criminal records and activities and what is social media bullying for no and then always saying, oh no baba better for I grow when you so. What da papa nyane now grow when you so. You think that you autocratic rule. So when the man and the news flash, Mr. Man. May say Ghana voted for you. Until we are under democracy rule. Until won't me behave as if say we are under military and as autocratic. Until when say huna woody, ya beke kanwa ya adrian basa. Until you better set up. Na ye de here and also by huna. Some of us we will always come to fight until all the now because we have a whole lot to arrest. And call for our motive because watching Nipa 10 and 10,000 will rise up and speak against all your nonsense that is going on in Ghana. Ghana is not for you. It won't mean be intimidate you or be say what you abronya, what you want to me no for how long? And I will bet to me, continue. How long? It's winning baby. We didn't vote for you, said Barnabas Chenko for. Said I don't be tracing for IP. Is that what we voted for you for? We need you may be such a useless being. We need you made this okay by then. Who can tracing for 5 like really? Like really, Mr. President. And I'm so worried you because you don't know what is coming. Just 8 months in power, no, or what she want to mean taking. Now, when you did ask us another for 8 years, we did every platform so 8 years come and for the woman. Instead of saying Baba Chechenko phone, you should be apologizing to Ghanaians because you know what? You benefited from hate speech. You benefited from it in actual sense. You paid, you sponsored people for it. Until and said the big do say come on abba. That's our corona a bite. You cannot come and tell us me and Kasa. we shouldn't criticize you. Obi a want me take criticism. No, you shouldn't go insulting people. You shouldn't go promoting hate speeches. You shouldn't go sponsoring platforms upon platforms. And then I'm ending for omoko bia a comment section I say na insem huno bia na no edit that because you sponsored them. And then the one will say yeah Enyanye me say papa what da nyane na grow when so because if you know what is coming out if you know what is coming now that's how you think you are going to stay in power forever. You have just 4 years and then so no we have watched 8 months, so it's not even longer 4 years. You just have 3 years and some months. That is all you can do with work term na the amount. Once I serious. I wonder who made you, what they saw in you, because you don't have any leadership skills. You are just a failure, just like your book. The book that you wrote, you are just a failure. It's Mr. President, message na the boss on because we are ready for you. Until me say you're ready saying wherever. You're ready say because we are not going to leave you alone for you to misbehave. You better fire. You better fire permanent cold them. So any man may catch you. Other for found sabo commanders na found sabo plus and na President Mahama de munja ni nsem hu na otigara ho edidi no munja ni nsem hu no medamas
Ghana for good evening. Say ne mano akofo a na munua ba me ho mfa me. Ba mu chomu nyina mo mra on board. Me pesa me ne His Excellency Edin Komo kakra. Your Excellency John Mahama. Ma me fa camera ne me na wate me kasa because ene me kasa no wo fo. Your Excellency mpacho me chiao. John Wada Roma Matisa also ba be regulate social media kasa ye kasa wo esono TikTok, Facebook, and I think says I don't know say YouTube or so whatever. But Your Excellency me pache wo menin sound since when and wo John Mahama say attendidi e wo social media so no enye since when ena wo kra na eti wo mu no e kire wo say Ghana nkwala ni mpanimfo aye eniemo ho aye enua so ade. Your Excellency, since when mi wo krom ha ena Kevin Taylor wo bo no pa mani di na nadu atem di na nadu atem di na nadu atem sa for 8 solid years. Your Excellency mpacho me no na ekasa no Ghana for muntie nkomo na me ne His Excellency edi no omdo mu twa ntro mbetime ko twa ntro atome so asema me nkae mi wo krum ha Kevin Taylor di ahemfo atem Trini Jonas Ohini David edru baby kra no na mia minipa on de na oye ne gentle omo beti ekuo bi ni ade edi na nado esopa na nado atem papa nyina Your Excellency na wukurom ha wankasa ukojina campaign platforms so ka say looking at na nado ni mfie wedi no enche obewu. Your Excellency mamusa eno ne eya atemdidie anase na eye kasapa ji ano ne fa. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Ye waha Kevin Taylor di ahemfo edi ministers edi judges atem kasa oba be kunkum ahemfo korapo. Sa time we hu say eye hate speech Saa time no, when who say a indecent language. Time one wu jina platform so kasa Nanado is the most wicked president no. One kasa no anchire se kasa na wo kano. Enye kasa papa. But because of sena wo pe abenya na betina so nti no. You didn't care about whatever utterances were coming out of your mouth. Ye waha. Ena Kevin Taylor ko di judges atem. No mu invite na man ba ye one kasa wo share that pointy wo judges. Ena omo kwashi case no. Omo kwashi case ni ye waha o. Your Excellency, don't take Ghanaians as fools because me amiti ye. Omo na mo muhu omo say omo short memory no. Me nka hu. Ma me fa camera ne me na hwe manim ye. Me Shemeni ase. Me ni short memory. Ye waha. Ena Kevin Taylor baye. Kevin Taylor juma be pa na odima Ghana. Ena oma Kevin Taylor baby tina ye. Vice President, baby a Vice President eteno. Ho. Na odi Kevin Taylor tina ye. Your Excellency. Bia na refi me kayo. But John would mean we were fee a yo boapaye. Ye nipa bonisam na yo. Ye waha. Ena Kevin Taylor baye would taxpayers' money. E share Kevin Taylor kopum so koye. Kevin Taylor no order V8 mu. Na national security for ene guide no. Edene call up and down, up and down, up and down. E boss siren to say dignitary papa bi ena enam kurumu ha na Kevin Taylor because of attempted DNT o worship Kevin Taylor to say oye or brempon bi. Your Excellency saa time no who say na Kevin Taylor was speaking indecently. Saa time no who say Kevin Taylor was hate talking. Saa time no who Afiansa baby too before. Afiansa baby regulated yen. Usu baby ed yen. No, stop it. Chai. Kai. Nka bibiem. Ube regulated yen. Would ye? Waburatim did ye so? Waburatim did ye so? Because one say, ya. Sometimes we should obi. I will be the president at Penyah. Na ubusa won say o man be ni ewu me tie ai me condone atem didi o but asa mu NDC for mo twa to ho. Your Excellency asiedu nketia wo General Secretary call en eskumie yase papa besiriwa anko obi ewu a wo kwa common with the person wo kogina ho yese watwaniti wakunu Ghana ha yenim so obi ayese chese wakunu. Papa, utimi ba out. Ebe ka say, the General Secretary koye no, antwe yi. Mu chairman asoka use di ba die ben. Edine husako pimpim MPP chairman bi hune so e ponche ne koko no. Did you come out to condemn it? He had the nerves, the guts, mpuno pushi police for. Wu John Mahama me kai wo. Nimsa wo kai pa. Wu papa penimu a wo ye miame president. Wu jina campaign platforms so ka say when it comes to unleashing violence, NDC party mo ye number 1. Urefi ye. Na fe de ba ne sen e na wo twa U10 sesi just 9 months abetina so wo twa U10. John Jaisa, nyame mpesa. Wose susu erade se susukuru a obesusu ama unia no. Sa susukuru ana na erade osusu ma wo. Enye wo na wo se nanado obewu no. Sa kasa na wo kana. Your Excellency, with all respect, mami musaw na ye kasa papa. Nti se mu amuwo high we no mukra manu mukasa na nye nti bede na ye no ma ye wo fom no ye kasa kwa ye papa Won say wan kasa kra asam na wo kan wo say wodi hu fo. Won say wodi hu fo. Jai Ghana fo na ye ni enkomo. Me we are the pa me ba be bo abaso. We are the enya me ba be bo achi. Na sa chichi na mo chichi no. Munyai. Because unim bibi. Ede no me ebeba mo so. Unim ni entia. Mudi bi di na ado ne ba wo mien. Yanchi obia. Enti se wuchi obi ne nipa ne de na no eka bibia ebinya. Enti mo mi nyina ye ntina o man mu ne twa 4 years ne kodin. Wadaroma bikura wunam. Da sebre konfankon. The president ba kope. John Papa bi. Wadaroma ma yentina o man mu ne enko no sede money yenko no 8 years no yenko no saa 4 years yi. Asem bia ma Ghana for hey yeso asem kosuru yo ne eja na boko e ba ya ye ho a so timisero jai emetu yefo. Don't advise anybody. You are not coming to regulate anything. Don't you ever try that. Mema, good evening and have a good night, Your Excellency.
Omanpenny John Mahama. Now say o press conference awoye. O say wa obeka kasa fi bia no. Ye be tracing, ye be use IP address. Abe hu ba bia woni abefa. Na before so be press conference ne krampo no. Na ye din ka chichi amanfo ne abronya dem, fante comedy dem, amanfo de dem omu nyina no. Omo ka kasa usu se eye film. Efa aban no, you obi efa aban no. Na asem ekire ebe ayebu ne se etwetwetire bia esuro ayana. Obi o twetire bia no. Oda osuro se odiniti ebe faces through because I share oda why it's ka ba be twediti. Because ejuma wodi ano no. Enya wanwa because president o ma baga na enya no Fourth Republic. Wo no be a president sebi o kaka se fin eche obi a. Adance year back in 2020 2 year who pentino o ka kire Ghana for say Kufuado wanyini eche o obewu ntem. Adance year da ho no obewu ntem enti yemfa wo mra o na wusa on ka se fin awoka 2 mi kekentino na o she say de one na epiri o mu ntem. Yes, enya de ope amem. Last year, yeah, as my catch about me,
Today, I'm repeating those words. This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many.
We are stupid. And then, oh, catch Ghana for say, Ghana for be woman, I say, Mahama, stop. Garam says stop it yancho. And then oh catch Ghana for say Ghana for kase Mahama wanyini into be wuntem yancho. The wo ye no obi ye obi na yancho say di pan. Si wo Mahama adre na wo de ba na nyadre bone but unya say opa Ghana for acho. Because when woman penina so far Fourth Republic o kaka se fin Odin papa mu ntiti mu eba politics me wa. Na the same one say ene ubehu akra no afa phone no di empanimfo atem emfa Mahama ho but ono ene na aba mu nkofo de odi o matem se eche wo hwe ayefofo ayedi o matem akwa ba yes sani enkrafo yes mo sani hwe mami be fa phone ebe gina TikTok akwa bakaka no odi asantefo akem se de oni asantefo chese ase aso abodam ya ankochi no because enye aban mu asem eno obi tumi fa fo no odi wo hini bi atem ye di asante hinatem ye di doma hinatem ye di nkranfo atem ye di we atem emfa ho eno kora eboawo e favor because waka to amanfo tim say MPP die efrimenhia mami be kan bunu ni bi ba be kan say MPP frimenhia e sama waka che ba no mi say oba power aka sampa case no samodua ebe die be gazette samodua amanesa enti se empapa mu other tribes ni nyina ekutia asantemaya emma MPP NDC eye popular emma NDC MPP ehun enya akono IGP man wadi wa hini bi acha ohini bi atama a wache ne da nansi edi politician ni edi mu atamo dia police for dia yankoche sa akofo no atem hwena nsan sampa case akwa high court akwa appeal court ni nyina ye bu etia samodua o hwe krona bonofo na se do mudi di your friend say National House of Chief Champ a president any asante na tem because of say say akunyantenchi na Mahama bent one nyema wo mu Ghana enya mna ya di asem wonti asma say nya court enti court si say o si de abi o ma bai na abatenchi na ache na do ma hene o wa asase e wo boma e wo ahafo region boma krona de boma no do ma hene e hyenase yemusa say ade na ofiri buno ekọ ahafo region ekọ etimi kosi hine busa star his speech ne dia Ghana for timi ka because papa mu eba Ghana e favor wo oni NDC for nanso obi ka assemblity abandi ayenchew because ade awo efa aso de ba power no yenchew mama kona bra biem be pa Ghana for achew why na se ye bete se ne nyina ye se wo ka asembone ne ye bechew a ye nyina ate ase biem na de o kan de emfa da se
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.